There you go. Let's throw this away. There is a piece of popcorn in my makeup bag. It's not even a good piece of popcorn either. It's like burnt. Hi guys, it is I, Salem, your favorite internet uncle. It has been like, what, week 4, 5, 12 of being quarantined. Who knows? I stopped counting after the first week. All I do is wake up in the morning and then I eat till I get so full that I go to sleep again, so that when I wake up, I'm hungry just so I can eat and then repeat. It's honestly been a mess, but it is fine. I'm still somewhat thriving. And that is because I'm wearing a different shirt for once for one of my videos. I don't know why I have this habit of wearing the same 4 shirts for every single video. I promise I have clothes. So this is my makeup bag. The measurements of said bag: 9.5 inches by length, 4 inches width, and then 7 inches tall. It's a pretty big bag, and it's super convenient with a lot of cool compartments and everything, but I don't use it because my makeup bag is such a mess. I have this really bad habit of shoving every single makeup item that I own into this poor little bag, to the point where the zipper will not close. And I was thinking it's about time that I spare my makeup bag some mercy and go through each and every single item and determine whether I do even need it, or if I don't need it, if I even use it. Why do I have this? Why do I still have the concealer that I bought in 6th grade? Please, for the love of God, throw it away. So yeah, I decided why not do this with my followers, and I just wanted to motivate you guys as well to stay clean and organized. Yes, you, I'm talking to you. I know you enjoy living in your filth like the dirty swine that you are. Get it together. This is my makeup bag.
What is that?
It looks like a pile of trash. Oh my god. Okay, this is exactly why I need to clean this out. So now that you guys got to see into the black void, and no, I'm not talking about my soul, the very first thing that I'm going to do to make this cleaning process a little bit easier is I'm going to separate items. The first item being brushes. This right here is meant for brushes, but I have other brushes just scattered everywhere. So I'm gonna take all my brushes out and put them aside for now. This will be the bucket of shame where I put all the brushes that I don't use. I actually have a lot of blush brushes. I have 5. Like, I do not need 5 makeup brushes that are only for one thing. I'm gonna put these in the bucket for now. I also have a lot of small brushes that are for detailing, except a lot of the times I don't use them, which are very dirty actually. I don't know when is the last time I even used these. I do use this one a lot because I use it for my nose contour, but it's really dirty, so I definitely should clean this later. Deep down I have other brushes. I see one! Got it. Alright, this is filling up pretty quick. This one is really gross and dirty. I definitely need to clean this one. Alright, so I finally collected all my disgusting brushes. So I'm gonna put these to the side for now. My makeup bag kinda looks clearer. I'm lying to myself. It looks awful still. So the next step is garbage, because there is like little scraps of garbage here and there. So right away I see this. Have no idea how long this has been here, but let's throw that away. There you go. Let's throw this away. There is a piece of popcorn in my makeup bag. It's not even a good piece of popcorn either. It's like burnt. And another one. I have this random piece of blue. So this is the major part, which is forcing myself to decide which products I truly do need and use versus the ones that just take up space. So let's go ahead and do that. So right away I see my beauty blender, and I actually do use this all the time, but it is, however, really gross and dirty. So we're definitely gonna put this in the brush pile of things that need to be cleaned. I have a lot of these Kimchi Cosmetics glitter highlight thingies. Like, they're just kind of taking up base in my bag. And although I do use these, I don't think that they need to be in my makeup bag. I actually have a vanity, so I'm going to do another separate section which is called stuff that I shoved in my makeup bag because I used once and I was too lazy to put it back in my vanity, but now it's going to truly stay in my vanity and stay that way because I'm trying to become a better person. There. All right, so we are now able to see a little bit of the bottom surface of my makeup bag, which is anyways, so we're now able to see a little bit of the bottom surface of my makeup bag, which is good. That means we're emptying it out. Next is this crumpled up Billy lip balm. Oh, it's just a package. Look at that. So this goes inside this package, but honestly, if I'm being completely honest, the packaging is not important and it's low-key kind of wasteful because it's like a package inside a package inside a package. But anyways, so I don't really need this, so I'm gonna toss this to the side. But this is something that I actually do use on the daily. And since I do use it, I'm going to start a new pile called stuff that I actually do use and that I'm going to put back into my makeup bag once it's completely clean. So yeah. Next, I have these two blushes from the CoverGirl Clean Line launch. I actually really like both of these. And I actually use both of these for when I do a natural beat. I actually used this blush for today. So I actually really like it and I do use it. So I'm gonna put both of these in the pile of going in my makeup bag later. Okay, wow. My makeup bag is starting to look very empty compared to when we first started. So next I have two Colourpop blushes, and I actually really love Colourpop a lot. The two blushes that I have are from the same line, which is the Super Shock Cheek. Colourpop Cosmetics formula for the blush is very different. It feels almost like a brow pomade but for your face, which I'm down with. These are the colors that I have. One is like a more orangish and one is more pinkish. I actually use these very much so a lot in my daily life, so I shall keep these. This is getting extremely empty now. Now I can say for a fact this is getting a lot emptier. So next I have these duo glues, and as you guessed, yes, they are for false lashes, and I actually have a section in my vanity for eyelashes and eyelash glue, so I have no idea why I even have it here in my makeup bag. And something that's super cool about these glues is that these are different. This one is white glue and then this one is black glue. So whenever I do like a natural look, I do this white one, which eventually evaporates into clear, and then this one's black, so when you use eyeliner and then put your fake lashes on, it doesn't appear as white, it appears as black. And honestly, this has been one of my favorite products like ever to use. Next I have 3 eyeliners. Y'all know that I love eyeliner, and I'm actually very good at eyeliner. Not to toot my own horn, but you know. But the thing is that I do not need 3 eyeliners. So the reason why I have 3 eyeliners is because I lose eyeliner so easily, it's not even funny. And I constantly rebuy and keep losing them and keep losing them. I have no idea why I lose them. This one was in my gym bag. This one was in my sleepover bag that I take to Peniel's house. And then this one was in the bottom of my makeup bag the whole entire time. When I thought I lost this one, I bought this one. And when I thought I lost this one, I bought this one. It's just a mess. But this H2O Wet n Wild proof one is really old. There is no label at all whatsoever, and it is very much expired. So let's throw this one away. And all that I'm left with is the NYX Cosmetics waterproof eyeliner and the normal eyeliner. I'm actually gonna keep both of these, and I will keep them and not rebuy one literally 2 days later and convince myself completely that I have completely lost these. All right, we are going to do a speed round of these products. This is the Milk Flex Foundation, and then this is the Milk Concealer, and then this is the Milk Makeup Sunshine Skin Tint. And I actually use all 3 of these. The coverage on this Milk foundation is crazy. The only times when I use crazy foundations is when I want to make my face look like doll-like almost. Next is the Sunshine Milk Skin Tint. It's not necessarily concealer, but it's not necessarily foundation either. It also has a very watery formula, and I'm actually wearing it right now, and I actually really like it. The only thing that I don't like, it has this end where you push and the foundation comes out from this roller thing and you just roll it on your face. It's a cool concept, but the application is really horrible, so I actually blend it out with a brush. But once blended out, it's pretty good. So I actually really like this and I do use this, so I shall put it there. Next, I have the Milk Cooling Stick, which I actually use every single morning. This helps a lot for like depuffing the eye, so I'm keeping this. All right, so I saved the 2 items that I use the absolute most in any makeup routine, and that is Colourpop Flexitarian Highlight and then my NYX Lingerie Liply 17 Matte Lipstick. I use these all the time. This is actually the lipstick I'm wearing and the highlight that I'm wearing, and I use this all the time. And for those who have been following me for a very long time, y'all know I use these in almost all my videos and my IGTV videos, which if you're not following me on Instagram, you should. These are literally so freaking amazing, and I'm keeping both in my bag. And just like that, my makeup bag is completely empty. We did it, and it only took like a really long time, but it was worth it.
Let's go have some fun.
Hello everyone, it is I, Salem from the future. I've finally learned how to time travel. It's already been, I think, 3 weeks since I filmed this video, and I just wanted to give an update of how my makeup bag looks now, and to see if cleaning my makeup bag was even worth it or not. Also, sorry about the lighting. You know, global warming, it be like that. This is the makeup bag. It actually doesn't feel heavy at all. It does, however, feel heavier from when the last time I cleaned it out. The inside is kind of messy again, not gonna lie. So this is my makeup bag after about like 3 weeks. I added a little bit more brushes. I also added like 2 new products, which was this Kimchi Puff Puff Pass set and bake powder, and this and this Blossom scented lip gloss that my friend Helen gave me. But other than that, my makeup bag hasn't changed a lot. I still have my 2 blushes that I use, my foundation stick, my milk products, my beauty blender, and the little compartments are still being used, so not a lot changed. And I'm actually really happy that I decided to clean out my makeup bag, because even though it's a little bit more crowded and disorganized than I'd like for it to be after a while, it's a lot better than having it accumulate back into the mess that it was. So I'm really happy that it still looks pretty decent. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and also comment down below because that helps raise my engagement, thus the algorithm recommending my videos a little bit more. And when you do that, I don't starve at night. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what else you guys want to see. This was a very just chill, relaxed video. This is probably one of the most relaxed, laid-back videos I've ever made. Let me know if you guys actually liked it and if you guys wanted to see more content of me just vibing. Okay, bye. It's not even a good piece of popcorn either. It's like burnt.